Right, let's see if we got the keyframe issue figured out. Hopefully we did. Make sure audio's coming okay. It is. Lovely. Very happy it's Friday. Got a app release pending at work. It's a big deal. So that's caused, for lack of interesting explanation, a fun time at work. Got a desk camera set up now. Very excited about that. Could just be using the capture card, but I think there's something more organic about actually showing the device that I'm building for. I like it anyway. That's what matters when I'm the one putting stuff together, isn't it? I will be right back. Let's go grab this gimbal because I did do some work to get the CRT capture working properly. Funnily enough, OBS doesn't give fine-grained control over FPS, but my wee platform does. Oh boy. Are you glad it's Friday? I definitely am. Even though I still got work in the morning. That's okay. It'll be over soon. Run out of disk space though. What's going on down here? That is Jamie Lynn tying some flies. She was inspired by my granddad's work, and she just totally ran with it. So it's brilliant. Rest in peace, granddad. All right, but so you guys know what's going on here. This is a wee avatar chat. This is like a live YouTube controlled stream. And yeah, you can interact with it. Let me actually set that up. So it's listening to your comments, like the British government listens to your phone calls. Don't worry, they're the good guys. That's what we're told. Start polling, yes, please. All right, that's live.
Whoa, America FK Yat.
Need a wee American flag done. Who can do pixel art? I sure can't. Tomorrow, get out of the way. It's not good to me right now.
Steam Deck joined Alien Swamp.
What are you doing? Guy looks lost. Discombobulated, I suppose. But not to do that again. X color. In a bit.
Create avatar.
Oh, in this avatar with YouTube chat. So that we type in move left one tile at a time. Pathfinding will mean it'll eventually walk around this person when I give enough move left commands. There you go. Very nice. Let's make him jump. Dance. This is what I call the away from keyboard dance. Look at that. Beautiful. I got one suggestion for a new command to add, so I'll probably do that tonight. Well, how much time we got? 15 minutes starting, be in bed. It takes me a bloody hour to fall asleep. Yeah, we'll give it a go. Someone wants a glow command. So if we type glow, make your avatar have a very cool aura. Lulu juice drink. Lulu. Cake too, may as well get that. Got to stop that noise that plays when a user gets an apple. But being on for a minute is quite obnoxious in streaming it. For all you lurkers, test out the chat for me. I coded it into my wee game here so you can control an avatar. What's my other drink? Found it. YouTube only has a handful of categories you can like specify your stream to go to. And I'm searching for an audience that is interested in indie game development and coding like integrations to live chats to control game input. So that's kind of what I do here when I'm not out on the weekend doing what I do. So for you that are here, YouTube thinks you like scientific stuff. The irony is I'm self-taught, but I've done pretty well with my career. Continue to do so. But I'm more interested in what I can do myself. Okay, dokie. Got some cake. Ready to code a new chat command. Let's get to it. What file was it? Chat. No, it was YouTube. Basically coded a wee plugin system. And, test loop right here. Emulate input. Right here on process input, this is where the commands I've coded thus far exist. Oh yeah, you can change your wardrobe by typing wardrobe. Let's see. There's like a 5 second delay so I don't blow up the API. There you go, that's lovely. Nice wee white shirt. The guy obviously doesn't have well water like I do have down here in Florida, because that white doesn't last. Every single white shirt I've got is like yellow now. If you're just sitting here, you may as well drop a like or subscribe if you're not chatting. Got your tongue. Wonder where that saying comes from. Okay, so let's get a glow command in here. We'll just add another case to the switch statement. I'm gonna have to add a command, an event on the client that actually triggers a glow. Do I want to save these changes? Yes, because I have source control. No. Okay. So let's see. I have a utils function here. So that's where we'll make the work. Tiny wee code pain. That's okay. Won't give too much away. It's very secret. Okay, so that's how we trigger dance. That's how we trigger jump. Let's just tie into the move user command. We'll add a new property in there. So we'll start coding a new static function here. We'll call it glow avatar, pass in the room context and the avatar. So we need those IDs. A wee tiny bit of guarding. If there's no room or avatar, then you should go away. Okay, what next? Then we want to set property on avatar. It's glowing equals true. Or actually, let's do an inverse so you can disable the glow. It's in the nullish correlation operator. It's very nice. Okay, so if that's null, it should still come through. Okay, that's good. Then we want to send that to the room so everybody sees it. We're just tacking into an existing event because I'm lazy. Pass in the avatar ID, because you need to know what avatar to make glow. Then we want UID because I guess I'm duplicating it. And let's is going to avatar is going. So that should keep the client in sync with the server here. Yep, that looks good. So we'll go call that in our YouTube plugin. Where is it? Somewhere down here. go. Room and avatar being passed in. So that's all the work done on the server side. So we'll hop over to our client and find our move user event handler right here. Scroll into view so you can see it. It's very important. It's going equals detail is going, otherwise false. Then we'll use that down here. Is glowing. And we don't want to run the rest of the function. We want to trigger a glow event. So I'm going to switch over to the avatar object, class, what have you, and see if I decoded that. I think I did. Give me a minute here. So it looks like I have a function called avatar create light. We're just going to tap right into that. Pass in our avatar. And that should create an avatar light. Okay, so if it's not glowing, then we should disable it though. Oops. It looks like there's a floating command. I should add that as well, shouldn't I? Go do that now. Call it case. What did I say it was called? Floating. Look. Walter, if you're watching, I know you wanted to learn some JavaScript. I haven't created this function yet. I'm just going to do two at once. That's how we do it here. Code lock. Switch back over to our server. As fast as we can. Okay. Server side taken care of. Back to the client. Create the glow event. If it's false, we should disable it. So I have a destroy light method. Let's see. Destroy. I think I have a generic one somewhere. Let's search. It's called remove light, that's why. They called clear light. Bloody hell. To standardize all these namings. But we'll worry about that another time, won't we? That just looks for the display object. We'll just leave that for now. Completely remove that. Better than commenting it out. Okay, so is glowing, is jumping. Let's add in is floating. We're coding 2 commands tonight. Racing against the clock. Insomnia waits for no man or woman. Yes, we want to terminate on that. So we want to terminate here as well. Right, I'm going to build this. Restart Docker. Rebuild the client. Switch to code cam. Oh, that's better. I should have been doing that all the time. Wait for this to build. A minute. Okay, done. I'll test it off screen before I show you. I'm actually going to test it if it's not using live. Well, I suppose I could just literally tap into my own live here in local. That works. Server error. No, it's still building server. Let's see, what else can I get ahead of? Oh, I should also give YouTube a warp command so you can pass in title coordinates. Let's do that while this is building. Okay. you'll have an advantage over people that play on the web or phone, because you should. So I'm going to have to pass in a row and a column. What's a percent out of event? It's okay, we'll fix that. So that's us adding 3 commands tonight. Not bad. Hi into the YouTube live chat on my local. With video ID, polling timeout, hit live. It's going to suck in a bunch of messages. 40 messages on me. Okay, let's type. Where's all the avatars then? It's just me. Let me try typing glow. Let's see if that works.
Glow.
Something happened. There's a light, but there's no avatar. Okay. So that kind of works, but where the hell are you? Maybe you generated off it out of bounds. Goodness sake. Try wardrobe, see if I could give me clothing. That might help get him back. Puzzling. So it did remove the light, so there's an invisible avatar in here. Let's open up Inspector. Okay. Switch back to Code Cam. Once I've finished fighting the Mac here. Okay, Code Cam coming up. Let's see who's in this room. Two avatars. It's my YouTube user. Sorry, but what the hell? Hmm. So there he is. What row and column is he on? 1, 8. Is it a 1, 8? Whoa, that's the wrong room. Crap, which one was room is in? Build out. Okay, let's go back to build out. There's my avatar. Okay, let's see if the glow event works. I'll type it again. Glow.
Glow.
Type it again because I might disable the.
Glow.
Yay, there you go. Coded a wee glow. Have to tweak it, make it actually look good. That's alright. What else did I code? I coded float, but I think that's going to be broken. Let's see.
Float.
Mhm. So we're going to finish up the work command here, but we got glow done. Jamie shall be happy. Okay, okay. Looks like I have an existing event for that, so I'm just going to tap into that and rebuild. Okay, dokie. Float user. If you've watched the show 100, might get that as a reference. What did I do? So, whatever. All right. What about work command? So we make sure it's a valid title. If it's not, we terminate. If it is, we fire it off. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead, rebuild server. We'll retest. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It would help this tiny little endeavor I've got going on. Put thousands of hours into coding and decided relatively recently that I actually wanted to show it, get someone interacting with it. So that's building. I'll be right back. Takes about a minute or two. Another potential thing to work on tomorrow. OpenAI's new updated model, and I coded an interesting feature that takes your webcam and converts it into isometric tiles. But what we can actually do is use some old game maps like from Zelda, the 2D top-down version, and use those images to generate maps and rooms inside of this little game I'm coding. Appreciate the subscriptions, guys. That's brilliant. All right, hopefully it's done now. Got 2 more commands to test for YouTube live chat. Yep. Almost done building. Because it's recreating the MongoDB container every time I make a server change. It's time consuming. I fixed that in the past, but whatever. That's why there's cake. Okay, done building. So let's switch back to code view. Go ahead, reload. Be quiet, cross my fingers. Okay. So I'm going to type glow so I can see my avatar appear.
Glow.
Oh, I forgot. I had to rehook up to the stream. Hold on. I get my video ID from YouTube. Post it into room settings. As I'm doing this, perfect time to like and subscribe. Oh no. Hey, it's floating though, look. So the float command works. Let's try warp. Oh, it's processing all the commands I've already sent, so that's why it's doing a lot. Fun. Let's just type move down to make sure I'm still controlling them. And then we'll test our new warp command. Let's see if this works. Okay, so that's like, where's the paint? Where's paint? Okay. So this area right down here, the row and column is going to be like 6x6. So let's type that and see if we can warp down there. Warp 6. Oh crap, I didn't extract it. I coded the command, but I didn't actually parse out the response, so we have to go back. Faultless. Okay, so we coded the function to warp the avatar, but we didn't actually process the input. Okay. Minute here. Yeah, I didn't even code it in here. Okay, let's quickly blast through this. So the keyword will be warp, and that way you don't have to type move down, left, move left a bunch of times. Okay. Coded the function in here. We're going to have to extract the row and column the user typed. Okay. And it is expecting one call. Seconds here. Let's see how it's doing. Excuse me. Okay, so I have an index. So when you type a string and then put a space, another string and a space, that populates our inputs. We'll use that. We'll make row first, and then we'll make call the second one. As you know, arrays start at index 0 for 1. Let's just leave this as undefined. I'll terminate out if it's not defined. That's better for me. Always barracks at me. It doesn't like that in case block, but it shouldn't prevent us from building. Ideally, you put that in a closure. I suppose we could do that now. Just a wee arrow function. Okay, waiting for it to rebuild. Let's see if I move my camera here. You can see it building down there. Oops. Takes about 2 minutes. We'll be back. Drop a like and subscribe. It would be brilliant of you. Very kind. So if you kept track tonight, I think we've coded 4 new commands. We're just waiting for the build to complete. The cool thing is, even though I can't see the screen right now, you can. If you see the bottom of the screen stop doing crazy stuff, you can actually message me and let me know. I'll read out of my headphones. Any minute now. And as always, if you have any chat command ideas that you'd like me to see me code, let me know. That's what inspired these commands tonight. I think I'm not going to have to tone back the moderation filters though. They're a wee bit aggressive. And we're going to replicate the work we did for YouTube. When I say we, I mean I. I'm going to replicate the work I did for YouTube. Get that working with Twitch. I have 3 followers on Twitch. They're very cool people. Okay, we're done. Back in business. So go ahead, bring up my local again, reload. Get my video ID ready. Okay, I'll go ahead, get the YouTube live chat integration working on my local again. Just takes a second or two. The only annoying thing is it's going to run through all the commands I've already typed. So we have to wait for that to. Come on. There we go. Just a quick reminder, we've been coding new chat commands for YouTube to control this wee game you see here. If you want to see what I'm doing, make sure to subscribe or like, do both. Where'd you go? You disappeared. Let's type wardrobe again, and then we'll test the warp command.
Glow.
Looks like he's off the map, so I've got a bug to fix tomorrow. We're not doing that tonight. Got to draw boundaries somewhere. For goodness snakes. Let's look at the error logs. Okay, let's get me out of the way. Trim is not a function. Huh. Let's go fix that. We don't want the server coming down ever. It's very bad. Just make sure that that string's actually defined. If not, terminate. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to reload again. One more time. For goodness sakes, come on. This is building. This is a perfect time to subscribe. Also, drop any ideas for chat commands. It's all real time. Other people can see, interact with it. Even if I disappeared, you guys could literally run the stream via audio and what you see on the screen right now. Probably will spin up a wee channel where we run this just by itself. So this one is for me actually coding it. Still waiting for it to build. There's no way I've been on for an hour tonight. That's crazy. I think it's because I actually got coding. That's good. Which I haven't forgot about you. You can't interact with the chat yet, but YouTube can. If you want me to integrate this to Twitch, make sure to follow. Good drop chat command ideas. Tonight, coded glow, float, warp. That's what we're testing now. There's probably 12 commands now that you can use. Should be done soon. It's building. I'll just check the logic, make sure it's good. So this is the command which is coded warp. Otherwise, you have to type move down, move left, and it just moves you a tile at a time. So that'd be annoying. And those apples, chatters can actually pick up and compete by like navigating using the chat and finding their way there. And the user that gets the most apples wins. It's taking its sweet time, isn't it? There we go. Pull my mug back into view, get the debug out of the way, reload. I think this will be the last time. So if you want to see any more development, you really have to subscribe. I hop on at random times. It's not predictable. And I'm not always streaming when I'm coding. It's definitely a newish thing. Yeah, I cannot read that. I'm gonna have to add translate. That can translate different languages into English. Luckily, we already have OpenAI integrated, so could easily do that. So the user said, I think it's Andre says hello, and he's what am I doing? Hey there, I'm coding live chat commands from YouTube to control this wee game here. That's literally what I'm coding. That's what I'm working on now. And this is all driven by ideas and feedback that I get from users and chatters such as yourself. Waiting. It's such a big part of coding. Come on, buddy. Jeez, okay. We'll post in our video ID and we'll test these commands.
I don't know English and don't understand you, but I sure that you are cool. I wish you good luck with your development.
Appreciate that a lot, buddy. I really do. The Americans can barely understand me, and I've been living here like half my life, so don't feel too bad. So he's out of bounds. We're gonna have to move him up. Oops.
Thanks buddy, you have a good one.
Just cause a crash. That caused a wee crash. Oh. Guys, go drop a like and subscribe. This was fun tonight. Thoroughly enjoyed this. Pick this up again tomorrow. Just a quick run through what I got done tonight. These are all the different commands that YouTube live chat can use. So you can type wardrobe, updates your avatar. You can type move up, down, left, right. You can jump, you can dance. And the new commands I coded was float. So make your avatar bob up and down. And then we have glow, it emits light. And then warp. That's the one that's giving me trouble. But yeah, dipping off, gotta go to bed, gotta get up for work, and prepare for an app release there before I get moved over to the web team. Yeah, very fun. But appreciate you guys tonight. All right. Happy Friday. We got there.